Hello friends, I am Aditya Sharma and you are watching German class. In today's video, I am going to discuss very important topic regarding the Goethe examination B1. You have already seen the title of this video? Yes. So today we are going to discuss how can you pass your Hören listening skill exam of German B1 level very easily. There are certain tricks, certain tips that I will give you in this video. So before that, you must be aware about the examination pattern of Hören part, especially listening skills of P1 level. You know that there are four parts in this examination, okay? And you will listen a CD. In some parts, CD will be played two times. In rest two parts, CD will be played one time. So obviously, now you understood in which CD will be played two times is easier to attempt those questions, and in those parts where CD will be played one time, comparatively difficult to score good marks. Alright, so what's your trick is that first of all you should be aware about the passing marks of this Hören. In listening skills you must score 60% marks. Suppose if there are 30 questions in the entire listening paper, you have to score 18 marks, okay? 18 marks if you score, or 18 answer you have to give correct. Out of 30, your 18 answers should be correct. You can easily pass this exam. So how can you do that? How can you study for that? I am basically telling you about to pass the examination, but you don't focus on pass, you should be focused on scoring good marks. If your focus is on scoring good marks, definitely you will achieve the passing target, which is just 18 questions. Your 18 questions should be correct. So the first part of this examination of this listening skills, Teil 1, contains 10 questions. Yes, this first part contains 10 questions and the CD will be played two times. Okay, this is the first thing. In out of 10 questions, 5 questions are just richtig or false. If you see the paper, 5 questions are just richtig or false, true or false. You have to listen the CD and answer those 5 questions true or false. Remaining 5 have MCQs. A, B or C. You have to cross the correct answer. You know, in German we put cross, okay? Do not tick, cross in the box. Within the box you have to put the cross. So in which true and false will be asked, just listen the CD one time and try to attempt only 5 questions out of 10. First 5, okay, first 5, and then remaining 5 attempt second time. Or what else you can do? The CD will be played twice and there are certain short announcements basically in this style. So every announcement will be played twice. So when you listen first time, attempt richtig falsch. When you listen second time, attempt A, B or C. That is MCQ. So this is the way first style can be dealt with. कहने का मतलब ये कि जो फर्स्ट स्टाइल है उसमें सीडी 2 बार प्ले होगी. जब फर्स्ट टाइम सीडी प्ले होगी तो आपको रिस्टिश फॉल्स, ट्रू फॉल्स आंसर करना है. सेकेंड टाइम सीडी प्ले होगी तो आपको MCQ A, B, C अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. इस तरह से सीडी 2 बार प्ले होगी पूरे, ठीक है, 5 टेक्स्ट के लिए. 5 टेक्स्ट हैं, 10 क्वेश्चंस हैं. ये फर्स्ट टाइल है आपका एंड दिस टाइल इज़ वेरी स्कोरिंग. बिलीव मी, इफ़ यू गेट आउट ऑफ 10 7 marks, that will be wonderful. You can easily get 7 out of 10. Some of you may get 10 out of 10. It's not wonder, it can be achieved. Okay, it can be done. Now come to the fourth part, because here you will also listen 2 times. Fourth part also, okay, you will listen 2 times. CD will be played twice and the number of questions, you know, number of questions will be 8 questions. Your target should be first 4 in the first attempt and second 4 in the second attempt. Means when CD will be played twice, listen last 4. In the first attempt, in the first time when CD is playing the first time initially, attempt only first 4. This is very important. Don't be in hurry. Don't think that you have to attempt all 8 questions in the first time. No, just make a target only first 4. And the best part is that the CD will be played in order, means the conversation will be in order. It's a conversation, there is a guest and there are 2 guests basically and 1 speaker, moderator. Okay, so you listen carefully, recognize the voice, who is guest and who is moderator. This is very important. Don't get confused. If you get confused initially, all your answer will be at stake. Okay, then you have to put a guess. An entire 8 questions might be wrong. Okay, so you have to recognize the voice in this last part, 4th tile. Very important. CD will be played 2 times. Out of 8, you can easily score 4 to 5 correct answers. Okay, now come to the 3rd tile. I am telling you in this order because this is the level of difficulty. First tile, as I said, very easy. This is my personal opinion. You maybe disagree, but you can think about that, and once you attempt the paper in this means you cannot attempt in this order, but you can be very careful that if it's first tile, give your best. You can score the maximum. And in the 4th tile, again, you can score very good marks. Out of 8, you can score 4 minimum. Now come to the 3rd part. CD will be played once, but the best part is that it's a conversation between 2 people or maybe 3 people. They are talking, or maybe 2 people are talking, and you just listen them and give the answer. Richtig, falsch. Here just you have to put the statement is true or false. So if you listen carefully, you can easily go through these questions, and the number of questions will be 7 here. 7 questions you have to answer. Out of 7, you can easily score 4. Yes, 4 questions you can easily score correct. So 4 here, 7 in the beginning, 7 plus 4, 11. And as I said, 4 in the last tile, 15. You need only 3. And 1 tile is remaining, that is tile 2. So you can easily pass that examination. So in this tile, tile 3, tile dry, you have to listen very carefully the conversation. It's a conversation, listen carefully. CD will be played only once, but don't be nervous. Just go through the questions, all the 7 questions, very easily written. The questions are very easy. You should have inner confidence. You should have inner confidence, okay? Then you can easily pass this listening skills. If you have phobia, if you are afraid, nervous, like my friend said this thing, someone is saying that thing, or he or she could not attempt or could not pass even after giving 3 attempts. So don't be depressed, don't allow negative thoughts, okay, to come, and otherwise the things will be gone out of hand. So you have to have your inner confidence, believe in yourself, believe in your practice, your preparation. So tile dry, very easy. As I said, just listen once, and all the questions are in the sequence, in the proper order as the conversations are going ahead, okay, from beginning till end. If you miss any question, just skip that and come to the next question. Next question. Don't stick to that particular question. After that, tile zwei. I find it personally little bit difficult as compared to other tiles, because mostly you listen here a historical event. A story is being narrated, an historical evidence, or maybe some story about a park or some castle, about old days, number, dates need to be memorized, or what happened. The number of questions 5. CD is played once. 5 questions. If you score 2 or 3, good enough. Okay, 3 can be easily achieved. So this is just an average overview I have given. You may score more than this, but minimum you can easily, if you pay attention to certain things, that what you have to do, what you are supposed to do, and you should know about the number of questions in each tile. As I said, first tile consists of 10 questions, second tile 5 questions, third tile 7 questions, fourth tile 8 questions. You should have this thing in your mind, which tile has how many questions, and then fix your target. You can easily score 18 marks. You need only 18 out of 30. Okay, you need 18 marks, means 18 questions should be correct. That's it. You can easily achieve this. Believe in yourself, believe in your preparation. Don't bother, don't listen to negative people. Just do your studies properly, listen regularly, follow any one book and prepare from that book. Repeatedly listen one CD again and again. dw.com channel, watch this. Easy German channel on YouTube, watch that. Short German movies, short web series on Netflix, do watch. This will really help you. You won't believe, this will really going to help you. So that's all from my side. In case any query, write in the comment, I will help you. Take care. Wish you all good luck. Bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen.